live in Alamo City Market. I'm gonna be doing my show, the JazzHop Fix, right here, live. So y'all stay tuned, get ready for it, here we come.
My name is Carl Booker and I'm running for District 2 City Council. And I'm on the JazzHop Fix with my boy, Dub HC3.
And this Dub HC3, live in Alamo City Market, promoing the JazzHop Fix show. I'm here
Originally from Detroit, Michigan, moved here in San Antonio back in the early to mid-90s, and just love the atmosphere. Completely forward working to it to make sure we can make a change on the East Side District, and we're going to bring it all together: business, education, wellness, and awareness. With Mr. Carl Booker for about 25 years now, all the way from BBN, Vista Products, the Juice Magazine, and beyond. And working with EMF and the JazzHop Fix is going to be very important to business. Important to us is bring all the black businesses together, make sure that we have some type of camaraderie, bring business and marketing, and level up a little bit from where we have been.
Man, you remember the time that I had to come to the apartment and get you and take you out?
Oh yeah, definitely remember that, man. Those are some times,
So-
but we stuck through it, and
What made me laugh, look, I come over trying to cheer you up, and we both got cheered up, because guess where we ended up? At the club we took over.
Exactly.
And man, that, what, 2 years and a half?
Well, the thing of it is, we started back over 25 years ago.
WKSAFM.com,
We've
the
done
bomb.
everything from
The
dance
People's
clubs,
Choice,
jazz
the
clubs,
People's
concerts, all the way
Remember
from
Cypress
Bay Street,
Club?
Cypress Club,
Downtown,
downtown.
Riverwalk?
Everything from strip clubs all the way, started from dance. Stayed positive, made sure that people enjoyed themselves.
Absolutely, that was
our
the
thing.
whole thing. That was everybody have a good time, and that was another initiative to show cats that they can have, black businesses and black networking with each other, because that's all we did. We worked amongst each other.
Exactly.
We didn't go outside unless we had to.
And that's what we got. That's exactly what we need to bring back.
Bring
Networking,
that back.
the camaraderie.
And remember how we got our start? We got our start getting down with Carl Booker and the Vista Products, Juice Magazine.
Juice Magazine,
To
exactly.
teach you how to advertise your black-owned or your minority-based business.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Well, it did a lot for the Cotton Club.
Did a lot.
Did a lot for the Cotton Club. It did a lot for other businesses. Did a lot for the community. So we're gonna stick with that right there. I mean, we've been knowing Carl for over 25 years as well. It's my brother. You're my brother. No, District 2.
I'm sorry,
Yeah,
District
we're gonna be running for District 2, and we gonna get out there and get the vote for him as well.
Absolutely.
Yep.
Hey, I want to thank everybody for your time. Be mindful. We got a lot of events coming up. The show's going to be to be announced. Be coming up shortly. We also have a block party